We know the market and are here to help you. Welcome to February's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of January. The number of active listings was up 93% from 1 year earlier and down 6% from the previous month. Even so, buyers still enjoyed a greater selection of homes today than they did 1 year ago. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $350,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days units spent on the market before being sold was down 24%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $310,000. The number of units sold decreased 58% year over year and decreased 48% month over month. Fewer sales could indicate an opportunity for buyers to negotiate better terms. This video was brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions.